Yeah, Rogan's gonna be there. Yeah, I'm walking into exhibit now. We have the biggest show coming up. Well, you can tell.
Who designed this? The ceiling's gonna sag.
We'll have to find a way to make it work.
So you want to dress up your office with wall graphics and your logo in 3D? We can definitely do that. And when you invite all your clients to come
Turn slightly towards me. Perfect. Face your shoulders to the left. Big smile. Big smile.
Alrighty, Chloe. Let's do one more take then.
Okay.
Hey Sam, the sign's looking pretty good. Where's this one headed?
This one's going to the Penn State cafeteria.
That area over there looks like a trouble spot. I think you can engineer your way around it.
It's a little tight, but I think we'll figure it out for the customer.
So how'd that vehicle wrap go, Paul?
It went really well. The customer was very happy with everything they did.
Hi, welcome to Exhibit Studios. We're a full-service exhibit company. We specialize in trade show exhibits, museum exhibits, graphics of all kinds, and we even have a product photography studio. I hope you're finding your way around okay, and I'll see you later. And over here is our graphic shop.
I can't wait to see the graphic that you guys have been working on. It's gonna be the pinnacle of our show. Wow, that looks amazing. You guys did a fantastic job.